Unveiling the Artemis Moon Mission, a new era in space travel. Our galaxy holds secrets, waiting to be unraveled. The Artemis Moon Mission is our answer to this cosmic call. Artemis signifies a new dawn, a new age of lunar exploration. This time, we are not just visiting, but staying. Imagine a habitat on the moon, a base for deeper space exploration. Artemis is making this vision a reality. Humanity's footprint will extend beyond Earth. We'll tread on lunar soil, paving the way for future Mars missions. The knowledge we acquire from the moon's resources will fuel our endeavors. Mining lunar water, a revolution in space survival. Artemis brings together the world's best, fostering international cooperation. United, we're pushing the boundaries of human potential. The Artemis Moon Mission, igniting the spirit of discovery. This is the future of space travel, and it starts here.